that Granny Nanny got for me and you, babe. Almond Sensors Kit Kat. You know that big chunky one?
Guys, it is
roasted almonds.
9:38.
Babe. What? Can I have 6? What dog? Yeah.
What the hell are you?
Let's go. Come on, finish. We used to go to then it's here on right in a minute.
A house?
Yeah, we used to rent a house, we come here on holiday. It's just, you know, this last corner one here, with deck chairs in, that house, yeah, tin land.
Oh, nice.
Pub there.
Oh, lovely. Oh, classic.
Nice ice cream. I can't take that left. Having a fucking laugh out here. I need to go turn around, there's no way I'm fucking turning that way. Not even a little bit. I'm not feeling it.
Yeah, you are.
Skylar.
Guys, we're going into the water. Guys, I know this is going on YouTube and I know that my friends are going to watch it. So, not good, not good. But, Dad, if you're going to put this on YouTube, then at least don't put a bunch of mugs of me in it, please. Hello! Woo! 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 Stand up. Oh.
Let's go. Yeah. Really?
Smuggling cougar arms, you got caught. That years, you know, like 50 fucking four,
Yeah.
That 4-year-old. So yeah, coming over Dover and fucking took one of the wings off of the plane with a guy called Peter Black. If you go and fucking like research, you can see it on
Yeah.
He got caught as well.
Here's park up number 2. We've got people all the way down, just backed in. Let's see, have a nice sunset there. Oh, will do. Mountains in the background. Got that in the background. Gonna head there tomorrow into Oak Mountain in Snowdonia. But yeah. Go sit by campfire then. Literally just fit. Just fit. For that. Right, park up. I'll send it pinned to this one. Good for dogs. Just got dog. Just yeah. What? Yeah?
Do you know where Scarlett's Crocs are?
Under the van?
Under the van?
Oh, back at seat. Oh, under the seat.
Back and see, have a look.
Yeah, some fucking scruffy bastards left all that. Yeah, that's the back. That's fucking well low. Yeah, little path. And then we have this campfire. Sit down, Roscoe. Not your tea. Loving having your tea on beach. Campfire. What have I got for after tea?
Marshmallows.
Yes.
The sand over there.
Yeah, good one this, gosh. Just put it in fire and roll it like that.
Daddy, I forgot I already put one on. I've got 2 now. Whatever. No fire.
Roscoe.